Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial in Entity Framework we'll continue with our small project. And lastly we have done with update, and then a delete. We have to do it now. Let's do the delete, and we will be doing other things from product list form, then it will be done. Let's declare our contacts. We say product management contacts. Let's get instance from it, and let's say var deleted entity, and let's say contacts entry new product, and let's only we pass through product ID because we don't need two others. And this is our product ID, and then we'll say deleted entity state deleted, and then we'll save changes. And after this one we need to give a message, or maybe we say do you want to delete like dialog result what we did in a category edit. Let's go there. Here what we did, we first gave a condition. Let's copy this one, or besides copy, let's write it, no problems. Product edit, let's here we say var dialog result, and we say extra message, box show. Then I will say let's say, for example, takes this product will be deleted. Do you confirm it? It's our text, and let's write the caption. We say deleting confirmation, and then let's choose our message back button, yes or no, and then let's give warning because it will be deleted. And now let's put our condition here. If dialog result equal dialog result no, then we'll say return. And after deleted, let's go down here. We'll give another message box. Let's copy this one and paste here. Say successfully deleting a product. Let's run it, how it is functioning. Let's put it main form. Let's add one randomly something. Insert, let's double click this one, and let's say delete. The moment I say delete, it will say it will be deleted. Do you confirm it? And we want our focus will be on no, not yes. Let's do this first one. Let's go product edit, and from here let's say message box button true. Now let's try it. Double click it and then delete. As you see that in no button it has been focused, so I say yes, and has been successfully deleted. The moment I close this one will be removed from our table. As you see, that is deleted. Now we are done with the deleted, and here exits. I think here nothing is left. Let's go from here. For example, when I say update, delete and refresh and exit, let's do all of these things. Let's first exit. I will say this, close, and let's do refresh. I will just call my get all products method, get all products, and let's do for update and delete. Update pretty much same. When we double click our grid control, let's copy paste, but there is one thing we have to change it. Let's see, no, maybe let's run it. I say update, iPhone, everything is gone. That's okay. And now when we double click it, we can like check our row handler, focus row handler. For example, if we, let's run it, I want to show you. If we double click here, for example, it will give error. That's how to prevent this one. Let's go our coding, and here we'll say if grid view focused row handler lesser than 0, then return. And let's do this one for update also, because we might choose somewhere else and try to click update, it will give error. So let's close this one also. Something like this. And let's go for delete. For delete, I will go copy from category, sorry, for product edit form. I will copy from there. Whereas this is our delete. And take everything, copy, and we paste here. And now instead of products, we say var product name, and we say grid view get focus row cell value, and then we needed product name, and let's write here this product name, and here also. And let's see this product ID. Whenever we select any row in our table, let's get this one also. We will say grid view products get focused row cell value. Here we will get ID. Let's say product ID. Sorry, let's convert it into integer because product ID is integer. Now it seems all is done. Let's run it. Let's add one randomly. And let's try to first refresh. It's refreshing, updating. That's for delete. As you see that, it will delete it, confirm it, yes. And we didn't call our refresh form after this one. From delete, and lastly we say get all products, yes. Now let's run it. Let's delete, and the moment I say okay, this row will be deleted from our table. Just delete, yeah, that's perfect. And lastly, all is functioning, just add product. Let's do this one also. Let's go to the main form and double click add products, and let's say product edit form. We create an instance from it. Since it is insert, we'll pass -1, and then we say show dialog. And yeah, and after this one we want our, yeah, just we'll open it, that's okay. Let's run it, how it is functioning. As you see, it is working, all of them is functioning normally. And I would like to maybe add a chart control in this one. Let's also, maybe if it is necessary, in DevExpress we have a chart control. We'll make as a group by which category has more products, or which category has how many products. We can do as a like kind of a chart here. This is out our topic, but we can do it maybe. Let's run right here, then add a new button, and let's move over here, and let's name it. We say btn. Let's name this one category statistics. I name it like this, and right here also category statistics. Let's find a button for this one, and also width with boot, it was 75, I think. Yes, all of them is 75. Let's choose image for this one, and here which one is most suitable. Maybe this one. Let's say okay, something like this, yeah. Let's create a new form. From forms, I right click, DevExpress form. This time we'll not create a reborn form, we just create a form, DevExpress form, and I will say category statistics form. Let's add it. From properties, let's say category statistics, and starting position, let's say center parent, or maybe you open as a MDI, not sure. Let's open as MDI. Let's double click this one, and we'll say category statistic. We'll create instance from this one, and then MDI parent active, and then we'll say category show. Let's run in, and as you see that our form came but is empty. Now we will fill it. That's what we can do. But before this one, we have to create a group by in order to bring query, and also we need a data transfer object. Let's create first this one, add new class. We say category statistics DTO. Let's set it public. We need two things. We need category name, and we need as an integer, as a count. Let's first int, let's say category number, and let's say category name. And let's go over form. Let's remove, close all others, only the one we'll be using. Close this one, close this one. Let's go from toolbox and try to find chart control. Move over here. From series, I add a bar, yeah, and then name it, I say categories, and let's say okay, and let's dock in paint container, make it like a larger. And now let's go for coding. We go to the properties from event loads, and let's write our coding. First we have to get instance from our contacts. Again we say using product management contacts, and then here we say var result in SAP contacts, sorry, not in, from P in contacts, and from products, and then we say join C in contacts categories on P category ID equals C category ID, and then we say group C category name by C category name, and then we say select, sorry, so we'll write into, we'll give a name, let's say groups, and then say select new, and our name of DTO, it was category statistic DTO, and that's from here we say category number groups count, and then we say category name is groups key. Now we create a for each loop. Let's call this one not result, still this is I variable, let's say to list. Let's say result to list, and here I will write category. Let's go our chart control. We didn't name it. We can name it just from properties. We say chart control categories, and let's go for coding. We say chart control series. Name of our series, it was categories. When we add the chart control categories, then we say add points, add, then it requires series point. We say new series point. First we need to pass category name. We say category name, and then the count category number. We say category number. Let's run it, how it is functioning. As you see that it brings us like a cell phone as a, let's go category list, product list, sorry. Let's choose here only cell phone. We have 4 cell phones, so cell phone is 4, as you see that is 4, computer 2, white goods 1. Maybe we can add 2 things more from we'll go add categories, sorry, from product list. We have here what? Electronics. Let's say sound system, unit install, let's say for 45, unit price 700, no, $74 maybe it's good enough. Let's go close this statistic, open it. As this we have electronics. We even can make this smaller, maybe it will look nicer. Let's go undock, and let's do something maybe like this. Make it form smaller. Let's talk like this, how you'll cover our form. Actually we could open it as not add MDI, but it's something like this. Is not professional, of course. And also from add, when we like insert or update, delete, we could clear our text edits. We didn't do that, I think. Let's do this one also. We go our form and product edit. We right click view code, and we create a new method. We say private void clear components, and let's say what we have first, ID, and say text product name, and then text category name. Or we can put it like a null, all of them maybe. because we have it. Unit price, say null, and units in stock also, let us say null. This is when we add, delete, or update, we have to call in the end like a clear component method. That's first here, and second for update also. And let's go for insert. I think is, let's close this one first and then let's add another one. We can add maybe new category, constructions, and then from constructions, let's say I just give like maybe cement, and unit price is $11. And let's see what we can do. We can add maybe another constructions, let's say iron, let's say iron rod maybe. I'm not sure, I just write randomly. Have a look this quantity, and let's say is $3 for each. Now if I insert, the moment I insert, all my text will be empty, as you see that. Only this one, it didn't seem. This one we can make it category name. Let's say I will put empty maybe. Let's go maybe null. Null text. Delete like 325. Update, it still didn't change anything. Maybe I think it's better to put empty. Now let's try it. Let's try this Toshiba. Say 50. It doesn't change. Why it is like this? Guys, I did like this. I go to the edit value, I set it null, it worked. We can try it. Now let's see cement, and let's this to make it 9. And the moment I say update, all of them it will be empty. Okay, as you see that all of them is empty. And now our category statistics. We have now more. If we open it as a not MDI, maybe we go to the main form. And let's double click this one. We just say show dialog. and we'll resize. Let's do like this, how it will look like. Maybe this is better. And let's open it in the center of the screen. Something like this. And now go to the properties. Start the default position. Let's say center, parent. And now let's run it. As you see that we have like we have 4 here, 2, 2, 1, 1, like 4 cell phone from products. And yeah, this was pretty much simple things we did. I think this is the end. Thanks for watching. I hope something you made use for it. See you next tutorials. Bye.